Okay, welcome to this new video for the unit of statistics and probability, and we're going to be looking at today the how to calculate measures of centre. Now, our learning goal for this one is that students can explain the effect of outliers on means and medians in a data set. Okay, and by the end of this video, you would like to be able to calculate the mean, median, and mode of a data set. Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay. Now a lot of this is a repeat of grade 6 and 7 learning, and so I'll be sort of flying through this pretty quickly, assuming that you've seen a lot of this sort of stuff before. Okay, did you know that at least 67.5% of statistics are made up on the spot? So, for instance, the average length of string is 2.56 meters. Interesting fact, totally made up. As I was writing that, you might have even thought to yourself, oh, that's very interesting. I wonder how they know that. The problem with statistics is that they can be completely false, they can be made up, they can be something that sort of serves particular purposes. They depend upon how they're being interpreted by the reader, how the author is wanting them to be interpreted, so you need to be careful. But we see them sort of everywhere. So there's anything that involves surveys. Okay, usually we're going to be doing statistics stuff on that, censuses. So the way that a government will sort of figure out where money has to go is by using statistical analysis of a census of a population. Okay, sports is full of statistics, averages of batsmen, number of goal percentages, that kind of thing. You just see it everywhere, and a lot of there's some success with baseball teams in the United States using statistical analysis by players rather than other factors that were seen traditionally as better things to buy players for. Okay, so some key ideas. Let's think about calculating the mean of a data set. Now first, let's just say, so a data set is just a set of numbers, and we're going to say this data set we're going to make it a data set which is maybe, let's say this is the average number of Cassies that people know. So someone knows 2, someone knows 4, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6, and 1. So that's a sample of, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 people were surveyed to see how many Cassies that they knew, and that's the number that they gave. Okay, now to calculate the mean, now another word, so the mean of a data set can kind of be thought as the average. Okay, so, and it's also sometimes written as an X with a little bar over the top of it. Okay, so it's another way of writing average, another way of writing the mean. Now, to calculate it, now, so X bar, that means mean, is equal to the sum of the values over the number of values. Okay, another way you could write this if you wanted to be like super mathematically sort of quick and cheating-y. So you'd have the sum of all of your X values divided by the number of X values that you've got. Okay? Alright, so in this instance I've got 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, all divided by 11 because there's 11 of them. Let's just move this down a little bit. Alright, so if I add all that up, I'm going to get 39 divided by 11, which is 3.5 Cassies. Okay, so the average number of Cassies that people know is 3.5. And so that's how we calculate our means. Right, let's move on. So these are all measures of centre. They're kind of telling you about what the centre of a data set is like. Okay, Right, now let's look at calculating the median of a data set. Okay, so to calculate the median, we don't need to write that, we've already got it. Okay, so calculate the median, there's sort of a process, right? So step one, order from smallest to largest. Okay, order your data from the smallest data point to the largest data point. Then, second, you've got to think to yourself, are there an odd number? Okay, so does n, number of data, equal odd? Okay, if so, then the median is equal to the middle number. Okay, if instead the number of data you've got is even, then the median equals the average of the middle numbers. Okay? Oops, that's terrible writing there, sorry. Okay, so let's have a look at our data set that we had before. Give ourselves a bit of room here. Oops. Okay, so our data set that we had before was 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 2, 7, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6, 1. Okay, there's our data set there. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, the first thing that we do is we rearrange this in ascending order. So there's a 1, 2, 2, 2. So that's 2, 2, 2. Actually, I might do this different color. Let's go for blue now. 2, 2, 2. The 1's been done. We've got a 3 and a 3 here. So there's a 3 and a 3. There is a 4 and a 4. There is a 5. There is a 6. And there is a 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, so now we sort of count in from each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so 5 numbers, so our middle number is going to be a 3. So because n equals 11, we're just going to go for the middle number, will be the median. In this case, it is 3, and so we would write median equals 3. Okay? Right, now, let's just quickly show, because the video is running a little long, so what if it was even? So new data set, I should say the median is 3 Cassies. Here. Okay, so a new data set, maybe we sort of think about the number of kittens owned by Sinead, and so let's say that we interviewed 10 Sineads, and we had 7 kittens, 6, 1, 0, 4, 2, 2, 3, 9, 100. Okay, so we first need to put this into our ascending order. So 0, that's right, it's going for a different color. 0, 1, there are 2 2s, 3, 4, 6, 7, a 9, and a 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now because this is even, I need to go for my middle two numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and 4. Okay, so then we do the average. So the median for this will be 3 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3.5 kittens. Ooh, 3.5 kittens per Sinead is our average sorry, as a median there, okay? Right, lastly, calculating the modes, real quick. So mode is the most common data point. And look, if we look at up here at our chenets or kittens per chenet, we're going to look at the number 2 and the number 2. So there are 2 2s in this, none of the others are repeated, so the mode is 2 kittens. Okay? If there are more than one mode, so let's just say we had another one, you would say, so let's just say we put, we interviewed an 11th person and they also said that they had 100 cats because they're weirdos, you might say the mode is 2 and 11, sorry, 110, 100 kittens. Okay, cool. So sorry that went over a little bit, guys, but I was trying to sort of like get through 3 things real quick. Should have been a lot of repeat for you. And yeah, so there'll be a new exercise checklist coming out for this stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.